Your customers already know what they want, so why make them start from scratch every time? Here's how adding a simple favorites button turned repeat buyers into daily ones. At first I thought people wanted more choices. Turns out they just wanted less effort. Once we added the save favorite, orders came in faster than my morning coffee run. If a customer purchases a product from your store, most probably they are going to return for that item even more. So how do you make sure that they can easily find it inside your application? I already had a tutorial on this, how to add a order again button. This is a little bit different. It's not just about ordering, it's about making sure that when they open up the app, they will be greeted with their previous purchases first, because if they purchased once, most probably they will purchase those items again. So how would you do that? Well, it's simple. You want to introduce favorites onto your products. And right over here, we have all of our products, as you can see. And then we have a favorites tab. And this is where they have their favorites listed out. As you can see, if I just remove maybe the Americano, there it is. And let's just add the cappuccino maybe. It's right over there. So it's as simple as that. You want to make sure that they can easily access their previous purchases, but not just their previous purchases, like with the order again situation. You also want to have these favorites. Now, again, this is just a demo project right over here. You would just need to add in here the cart and all of that stuff. If you're interested in how to build this application, I can build it out for your business. Just click the link in the description. Okay, so this is our code. Let's just, our project, let's just remove all of these. And today I want to address this part. So when they first open up your app, they will not have any items favorited. In this case, we just have a blank screen over here, which is not that good. You know, just have no favorites over here under the products list, and it's just a blank one. We want the user experience to be as smooth as possible. So in the code side today, I'm just going to show you how you can add it's called the content unavailable view. You will see it in just a second. So what we have over here is our tab favorites view. We have a list of products and then we have the product row. This is our list of products, and then the product row is this part over here. Implemented everything with the favoriting logic also. So what we want to do is make sure that if there are no products available, then we want to show this content unavailable view. So we already have our group set up over here, so we can just add an if-else statement. So if products is empty, you want to display something, and then else we want to display the list. For now, let's just have a text over here stating empty. Let's just go with empty. So we want to make sure we build and run again. And let's see if we see that text when there is no favorited product available. There we go, it's empty. But this is of course ugly. So we want to add that content unavailable view. So let's just type it out, content unavailable view. And there's quite a few that you can use right over here with a title and image and description, title and system image. Now, what's the difference? Well, if you are adding your own custom image, then you are going to use the image one. If you want to use the system images, basically the SF symbols, then you want to use the one with the system image. And there should be, yes, there is one with a label, description, and action. And this is the last one. We're not going to use this one for this particular scenario, but if you want to make it like customizable throughout the way, then you should use this one with the label, description, and actions. Label meaning the actual icon or image that you might want to add. It could be anything. Description, just that text over there. And then the actions. Those could be buttons, which is really powerful. In our case, we don't need actions. It could be, for example, a retry button or something like that. In our case, it's just some information, like we don't have any favorites. You should just tap the heart icon to just add from the product. So what we are going to use is the one with the title. Yeah, let's just use the one with the title, system image and description. There we go. Okay, so the title would be no favorites yet. Okay, system image. I'm just going to use the heart because that's what you need to tap on basically on the cells. So heart. By the way, if you don't know, this is just a string. Just hit Shift Command L, and then the library will pop up, and make sure that you select this one with the star for the symbols. There are quite a lot on the library that we can do, but you want to make sure that you select the symbols and then just either search for it or just scroll down. It's as easy as that. Okay, so heart it is. And then the description, you need a text over here, so we just add a text. The view actually for the text, and tap the heart on any product to save it here. And basically those are the minimum changes that are required. It's really, really powerful in Swift UI. And let's just see it. Have it? No favorites yet. Tap here, tap the heart on any product to save it here. Let's just go back to the products and choose the croissant. There we go. And now instead of that, now we do have a list of products. We currently have just one, but we do have a list of products. And therefore, we are going to go into the else part of this if-else statement. Let me just add in maybe the cappuccino also. And you can see there it is. It's really nice. It's over there. And the cool part here is that we are going to persist that data. So if I open up the app again, just like this, it's over there. So we can see that these two are hearted. And if you go to the favorites, we have them. And of course, you can just remove them. And let's take a look at what we worked on today. No favorites yet. Tap the heart on any product to save it here. As you can see, it's this simple to just add this nice polish to the UX. Now, of course, if you want to have your own app on the App Store, you're a business owner, you don't really care about this code, want to make an app on the App Store so you can just sell your products or, making sure that your customers come back over and over again, make sure to check out the link in the description and you can talk with me on that. I can provide you a fully functional iOS app in just 4 weeks. Fixed time frame, fixed budget.